Where will you deposit money? Bank, hospital, or school?
Bank.
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 Ma'am,
B
bank.
B-A-N-K, bank. The first option, A option, put a tick on that, all of you. Hassan, put a tick on A option. We go to deposit money in the bank. Second one, which place is also called Temple of Learning? Temple of Learning बोला जाता है. Yes, Kriday?
School.
It's cool.
School, right. Amna's also saying school. Okay, very good. So put a tick on A option, school. Option A, school. And put over there, learn. Learn. Right over there, learn. You're going to learn this up. Okay? Question and answers. I'll be sending you the question and answers. You can complete them in your copies. Come to page number 39. Page number 39. Fill up the blanks with the words given in the box. Now I'm going to read the words. Listen carefully. School, park, doctor, bank, nurses. School, park, doctors, bank, nurses. The first sentence is, we keep our money in a dash. We keep our money in a dash. Yes, Rishita? Bank. Okay, very good. B-A-N-K, bank. Very good. B-A-N-K, bank. Number 2. People go for a walk in a dash. Hayat? People go for a walk in the park. P-A-R-K, park. P-A-R-K, park. Okay. Number 3. A dash is a place where children study.
School.
That's right. School. Very good. S-C-H-O-O-L. Yes, school. A school is a place where children study. And the last one, number 4. A hospital has many dash and dash. Ria?
Ma'am, doctors and nurses.
Inaya, just wait, child. Yes, Ria? A hospital has many doctors and nurses. Okay, good. Write the correct spellings, children. D-O-C-T-O-R-S, doctors. N-U-R-S-E-S, nurses. Exercise C, put over there, learn. Exercise C, put there, learn. Okay, where will you go if you need to buy clothes? See the H-O-T-S, HOTS. H-O-T-S, HOTS. See that page? H-O-T-S, HOTS, the green band. Where will you go if you need to buy clothes? Let me see who's going to answer this. Shivansh?
Ma'am,
Shivansh?
yes, ma'am.
Where will you go if you need to buy clothes? Clothes.
Market.
Yes, Hassan, you're right. Shivansh? The question is, where will you go if you need to buy clothes? अगर आपको कपड़े खरीदने हैं तो आप किस जगह पर जाएंगे? कहाँ पे जाएंगे?
Ma'am, market.
Market. Very good. So in that green box, right over there, M-A-R-K-E-T. M-A-R-K-E-T. And also put learn in that box. You should know this. Put learn over there. Ayat, are you writing? Page number 39, the green band, the green box. Okay, it says identify the places that you see near your house, in your neighborhood, parks, temples, hospital, all this. Yesterday you told me that, ma'am, we have lot of things in our near the house, in the neighborhood, and you have seen them also, right? Now it says visit them and write 5 sentences about each place. Just now you cannot visit them, you cannot visit those places. Okay, now come to where will you go. Match the situations in column A with the words in column B. The next exercise of match the following. To study. First I am going to read column A. I am reading column A. Okay, then I will read column B. Listen carefully. Column A says to study, to deposit or withdraw money. Withdraw means to take out, nikalna. Okay, to deposit or withdraw money. To play. If you are sick. If you want to make a complaint about a robbery. अगर इन सारी सिचुएशन में आप पड़ जाते हैं तो आप किस जगह पर जाएंगे? वो जगहों का नाम है कॉलम बी में, ध्यान से सुनना है। बैंक, पुलिस स्टेशन, हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल, पार्क। बैंक, पुलिस स्टेशन, हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल, पार्क। Now see the first one in column A, to study. Study करने के लिए आप कहाँ जाएंगे? बैंक, पुलिस स्टेशन, हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल और पार्क।
Ma'am, school.
Okay.
School.
In front of school, draw 2 lines in the center. Draw 2 lines. Okay, draw 2 lines in the center. Again, draw 2 lines. Match the following कैसे करेंगे? 2 lines draw करके करेंगे। Draw 2 lines like this. Okay, और इस साइड पर है A, B, C, D and E. So school is written on D. So D option, put number 1 in front of D option. Put number 1 in front of D option. Next, to deposit or withdraw money. Where will you go to deposit or withdraw money? Bank, police station, hospital.
Bank.
Yes, Omansh?
Ma'am, bank.
Bank. Okay, in front of bank you write number 2, that is on A. Alright, the next, to play. Where do you go to play? Police station, hospital or park? Ane?
Ma'am, park.
Ane?
Yes, ma'am.
Where will you go to play? जब आपको play करना है आप कहाँ जाएंगे? पुलिस स्टेशन, हॉस्पिटल या पार्क?
Park. Park.
पार्क. Okay, पार्क is on alphabet E. पार्क.
मुझे park.
Put over there. Number 3. Okay, number 3. Next, if you are sick.
Ma'am, park.
Okay, the next one, Ronik. Ronik, the next one. If you are sick, where will you go if you are sick? Hospital or police station?
Ma'am, hospital.
Hospital. Where will you go when you're sick? You go to the hospital.
Hospital.
Number 4.
Ma'am, hospital.
Yes, Ronik. Hospital.
Hospital, ma'am.
Okay, and the last one says, if you want to make a complaint about a robbery. Robbery means चोरी अगर हो गई है तो आप कहाँ पर जाएंगे? हसन, अगर कहीं पे चोरी हो जाती है तो कंप्लेंट करने कहाँ जाते हैं? Hayat, you're saying something but I can't hear you. Yes, Hayat? बेटे आवाज नहीं आ रही है, बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं आ रही है। There's some network problem.
हॉस्पिटल में कौन सा नंबर डालना है?
Hospital number 4. Okay, police station is the last one, number 5. Police station. Now put learn over there. Learn. Learn. You're going to learn this exercise. Okay, now come to page number 4040. Page number 4040. We have a test paper here. We have a test paper here. Okay. That's going to help you to revise all the chapters we have done till now. Match the following. Monkey, lion, cow, duck, horse. Monkey, lion, cow, duck, horse. Monkey we will match with. The other side words are den, tree, stable, shed, pond. These are the homes of the animals where they are staying. Now monkey we will match with which one? Where does a monkey stay? Tree. Monkey stays on the tree. And with B you have tree. Number 1. Put over there number 1. Tree. Next, lion. Where does a lion live? Den. Very good. And den is on alphabet A. So we put number 2 there. Vaishnavi. Where does a cow live?
Ma'am, shed.
Shed. Okay, now Vaishnavi, you have to be quick. Shed. S-H-E-D on alphabet D. Over there, 3. Sakina, where does a duck live? Number 4 is duck. Pond. Very good.
Pond.
Pond. Put number 4. And a horse lives in a stable. The last one left is stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Number 5. Stable. Put learn over there again. Now name these families small, big or joint. The first picture is a big family. The first picture is a big family. Right over there, B-I-G, big. The first picture, big family. Second picture, joint family. And third picture is a small family. First picture, big family. First picture, big family. Second picture, joint family. And the third picture is showing you a small family. Exercise B. Exercise C, you will do for homework. What do parents do for us? What do parents do for us? You will put 5 things that your parents do for you. 5 things you will write. Children, listen to me. Rishita, your mic is on. Rishita. Children, listen carefully. Exercise C, all of you put over their homework and learn put over their homework and learn. Okay, now listen carefully. This exercise you will complete it and you will click a picture and send it to me on personal. Right, you will click a picture and send it to me on person, and everybody will send it. Some children, they are not sending the pictures when I'm asking them for pictures. They are not sending when I'm asking for audios for reading. They are not sending. So please make sure when I tell you to send the work, send it to me so that I can see what you have done. Alright, so exercise C, you will do it and you will send it to me. Exercise C, page number 40. रौनक ध्यान से सुनिए, रौनक ध्यान से सुनिए.
ओके मैम.
पेज नंबर 40, पेज नंबर 40, एक्सरसाइज सी. पेज नंबर 40, एक्सरसाइज सी. पेज नंबर 40, एक्सरसाइज सी. टेस्ट पेपर 2. You will complete that and send me the picture on personal. And exercise D. Exercise D. Look at the pictures given over there. Write the uses of these places. Write the uses of these places. Now the first picture is showing you a bank. First picture is showing you a bank. Second picture is showing you a police station. I will send the answer to this, then you will write it in your book. I will send the answer, you can write it in your book very neatly. A bank is a place where people deposit their money and jewelry to keep them safe. And police station is a place where policemen work day and night to maintain law and order. Right? These are the two pictures that are given there. Now you can take your break. You can take your break. It's 9:50. Okay. Next period we are going to do moral science. Next period we'll do moral science. Right? You should be ready with your moral science books in the next period. Take your break. We'll meet again in the next period. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Ashina, you're saying something?
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.